I have 3 spools of solder that I purchased on eBay from China. 0.3 millimeters thickness, 0.5 millimeters thickness, and 1 millimeter thickness. 30 grams, 50 grams, and 100 grams respectively. That's what the seller claims it to be. I'm going to measure and weigh these things to be certain that they are so. Let's start with 0.3 millimeter, 30 gram spool of solder. As you can see, this is still sealed. I'm going to weigh it. The scales are set to grams. $29.71. Let's unseal it, and let's set that here for a moment. I'm going to set that right here. Okay, so this is the spool that I'm going to unwind the, sorry, let's set it like that. The spool weight is 1.11 grams. That's the pin weight. So let's set that right here. And oh, it's got more. Great. It's got more seal on it. Okay, here we go. So let's measure this out. This is set to millimeters. It's on 0. No, 0 you fuck. Okay, excellent. Let's measure the wire. Yeah, so much for Chinese measuring tools. Can't measure these things. Well, I'm gonna assume that this is actually proper, because I don't have a sensitive enough device to measure this. Let's assume it's proper. So, just gonna unwind this. Oopsie. Okay. Let's measure what the spool weighs. Spool weight is 18.89 grams. I actually put the wrong measurement into the solder on pin weight. So let's see what this one weighs. And this weighs 11.91 grams. Therefore, the actual solder weight, I can't believe this is actually, yeah, this is close to 20 grams, so just a spool. Unbelievable. So what I paid for was actually more like, so it's 10.80 grams. 10.8 grams of 0.3 millimeter solder. Okay, let's deal with the 0.5 millimeter. 0.5 millimeter solder. Again, that was sealed. There's some tape on it. Let's get the tape off. Okay. Oh, I didn't weigh it, didn't I? Well, let's weigh it. Now that's without all this crap. Let's put that crap back on. That crap and this crap. All of that. Wonderful. So all of that. 0. Now that is 49.1 grams. So let's get this off. Let's get this off and let's get the solder. You see? Oh yeah, let's weigh the pin as well. Right. Stop. The pin is 1.33 grams. Let's get this showing around. Right. Excuse me. And the spool weighs, should be about, oops, sorry. Yep. 19.31 grams. And this thing weighs 31.4 grams. Which means we are at 30, point, what was it, 33? Okay, this is 30.07 grams. 30.07 grams of a half a millimeter. Oops, don't forget to weigh it. The weight is 98.30 grams. Less the PA packaging. Yeah, I know, some graphite. Okay. Let's weigh the pin. 1.32. Close enough. 33. Oh, that's 33. Excuse me. Oh, doesn't matter. All right. And the spool weighs 19.18 grams, 80 actually. 19.80 grams. While the solder weighs with the pin 80.13 grams. No, 16? Okay, 16. 80.16 grams. And so we have a, let's see. $79, sorry. $78.83 grams. So what we have in actuality is 0.3 millimeters, 30 grams claimed. We have actually 10.8 grams, so 30% of what I paid for. .5 millimeter was 50 grams, and I got 30 grams, 30.07 grams, so 30 grams essentially. A bit more than 50%. 100 grams was actually 78.83, so about 80 grams. So there you have it.